Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. The VeChain chart is still in this ongoing downtrend like many other cryptos as well. I think it's just worth explaining again the relevant support levels as well as the next micro resistance. Because, I mean, looking at this chart here, you can see that we have a 5-wave move up from the June 2023 low all the way up to here the February-March highs, a bit of a double top there, triple top actually. And the market then has started the decline, obviously, earlier in the year after a 5-wave move up, which I consider potentially a bullish structure, but only as long as we're holding the 1.8 cent level, which is the 78.6 retracement of the rally. And this pullback or this correction, it's still unfolding. We might have put a low in place. I mean, technically speaking, the move down, as you can see here, it is full. It is full. What does that mean? That means that we definitely have enough waves in place to consider the correction could be over. Definitely means we need to be watching now. After that last low that happened here in June, it moved sideways, and I was highlighting, okay, that basically not the need for one more low, but that is quite likely. Well, that one more low has happened now. It would be a nice bottoming structure now. So this wave count to the downside looks really full, but I need to see some evidence now. For example, a break above initial resistance, which is here now defined between, let me just shift that into a position. Initial resistance is defined between 2.35 cents and 2.57 cents. And the 78.6 retracement would be a potential breakout point, at least a sustained break above it. The 2.57 cent level would indicate that a low of sorts has formed. And that is when the process would begin to confirm a low. As you can maybe see here, we have a 3-wave move up from the low. One more high would give us potentially a micro 5-wave pattern, but these are pretty unreliable. Still worth watching if we get one. That time frame on an altcoin chart, micro counting, as I said, is quite unreliable, but this has the right look. I mean, it looks really like a potential small bull flag here. One more high would be great. And then if we get these 5 waves up, it might be worth watching for a corrective pullback and then maybe a breakout. In addition to that, we have on this chart a descending trend line, only 2 touch points, so not too relevant. And above the 2.5 cent level, 2.57 cent, it's not only the trend line here, but it's also those, these previous swing highs from June and early July at 2.72 cents, which could provide next resistance. So this is really the next key level then to break if the market can break above the initial Fibonacci resistance area. So it's all about watching for 5 waves up and a potential break above resistance. Until we get some of that, one more low is still very likely, but please note that the downside wave count can be considered complete. If there is another low, the 1.8 cent level is likely going to be next support. So price action short term is still bearish. We're just waiting for evidence that also on the shorter time frame, price action flips bullish. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.